So as a doctor, one of the things that always intrigues me is, well, why do some people seem to age gracefully while others struggle with the signs of time? So why is it that some people have skin that looks youthful and radiant, and some people have lines and wrinkles and deformities? So if you want to find out the answer, which I've been exploring, discovering the way to turn back the clock, then please keep watching. Hello and welcome to our weekly newsletter. Hi, I'm Dr. Sunny Desi, GP, aesthetic medicine doctor, and also with a special interest in women's health. This is our summer edition. If you're watching back, maybe it's the depths of winter and you're watching this back on YouTube. This is our weekly newsletter. We call it Vysana Life. I'm in my clinic in Rutland, in Oakham, where we do lots of treatments, whether it's more on the private medical side or whether it's more skin-based. Our aim is to help you look and feel better. If you haven't already subscribed to our YouTube channel, then please do, and also check us out on Instagram, LinkedIn, and also, what's the other one? TikTok. How could I forget that? So what have I got in store for you this week? We are going to talk about some concerns that many people have, whether it's men or women. We treat predominantly women here. Our focus is on women's health. It starts from the skin and we work our way within. So one of the things that a lot of patients get concerned about is sagging skin, seeing more jowling happening, lines, deep lines appearing, volume loss, especially late 30s, during perimenopause period, which is in sort of the 40s. You know, why is it that my skin is sagging, it's dull, it's losing its glow? What can I do about it? That's the questions that are raised when patients come to clinic. And also I'm going to share with you a little journey that I had with a colleague, Eleanor, who owns the Hart clinic in London, and I was lucky enough to be introduced to the world of IV drips. I've always been fascinated by it, especially the subject that I'm going to be talking about, which is NAD. So if that takes your fancy, if that takes your interest, then please carry on watching, and I would love some feedback and comments. So as a doctor, one of the things that always intrigues me is, well, why do some people seem to age gracefully while others struggle with the signs of time? So why is it that some people have skin that looks youthful and radiant, and some people have lines and wrinkles and deformities? So if you want to find out the answer, which I've been exploring, discovering the way to turn back the clock, then please keep watching. So when it comes to aging, many of us are looking for ways to slow down the clock and maintain our vitality. Recently, I've been exploring a molecule called NAD, and I think NAD plays a crucial role in that aging process. So nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide is a coenzyme found in every cell of your body, and it's essential for energy production and overall cellular health. So what is NAD? So NAD is involved in several critical functions, including DNA repair, metabolism, and the regulation of your circadian rhythm. However, as we age, our levels of NAD naturally decline, leading to reduced energy, slower cell regeneration, and the visible signs of aging, like wrinkles, sagging skin, and decreased muscle tone. So you're probably asking, how is that going to help with aging? So imagine if we can boost your NAD levels, you may be able to combat some of these effects. So increasing NAD in the body can enhance cellular repair, it can improve energy production, and even activate certain enzymes known as sirtuins, which are linked to longevity and protection against age-related diseases. So this makes NAD a promising tool against the fight, in the fight against aging, and getting a more youthful appearance from inside out. So what I did, I'm going to share a video with you. It's my little journey of having an IV drip containing NAD, amongst other things as well, like vitamin B12 and glutathione. And just wanted to share the journey with you to show that even doctors like myself need to maintain our youthful vitality. So thanks very much for watching, and I hope you enjoy the video.
Although I'm scratching my head at the beginning of this video, this is the start of my journey into longevity medicine through having an IV drip. Here is Eleanor, who is an advanced nurse practitioner. She is the owner of Hart Medical, which is where I had the IV drip done. The IV drip that I was interested in feeling the effects of was an NAD plus vitamin B12 plus glutathione. Here you can see a small giving set being directly inserted into a vein so that the supplement, in this case NAD plus, vitamin B12 and Glutathione could be administered so I could feel the effects. The science behind IV drips can be controversial, however, the importance of NAD cannot be disputed, and that's what I wanted to feel the effects of. So increased energy, decreased brain fog or clearing brain fog, and I guess you can call it performance enhancing, whether it's your cognition, like your brain power, or whether it's sports performance. IV drips do play a part. Very easy to administer by a healthcare professional who's done it lots and lots of times. Here you can see vitamin B12, NAD, and later on glutathione being administered. It goes down and goes directly into the bloodstream where you can feel the effects. There can be some side effects as well. In this case, the drip is done slowly to reduce it. And here we are at Hart Medical. And as always, make sure you drink plenty of water.
And I'm Dr. Sonny Desi. If you haven't already subscribed to the Vysana Life newsletter on YouTube, please do. Any comments about what you've just seen, feel free to comment whether you like it, whether you don't like it. I always appreciate feedback. Thanks very much for watching, and that is this week's newsletter from Vysana Life.